The ZON whole house audio system is a high-end system, distinguished for its exceptional audio quality, adaptability, and straightforward setup. It uses Category 5, often shortened to Cat-5, cables for communication between its centralized control units, referred to as ZAC, and distribution amplifiers. The system's key features include high-fidelity audio, which supports lossless audio formats, providing wide frequency response and minimal distortion for a premium listening experience. Multi-zone control allows users to manage audio independently in different areas of a home, each with unique volume and source selection. Centralized control is facilitated by ZAC controllers, which offer a central interface for system setup, source selection, and zone management. The utilization of Cat-5 cables for communication simplifies the installation process and ensures compatibility with existing home networks. Scalability is another advantage, as the system can be adjusted to fit homes and audio requirements of varying sizes. Wide source compatibility is ensured with support for numerous audio sources, encompassing streaming services, compact disc players, and digital inputs. When comparing ZON to other whole house audio systems, several aspects stand out. Firstly, audio quality. ZON is celebrated for its exceptional audio fidelity, which rivals high-end audiophile systems. Secondly, ease of installation. The use of Cat-5 communication simplifies the installation, particularly for experienced installers. Thirdly, scalability. The system's modular design allows for flexible expansion and customization to accommodate changing needs. Fourthly, control options. ZON offers a wide array of control options, including touch panels, remote controls, and smartphone applications, providing users with convenient access. Fifthly, cost. ZON is typically more expensive than entry-level or mid-range whole house audio systems. The pros of ZON are exceptional audio quality, ease of installation, scalability, and comprehensive control options. The cons are higher cost and availability that might not be as widespread as some other popular systems. In conclusion, the ZON system is an excellent choice for homeowners who value high-fidelity audio, ease of installation, and scalability. Its premium price is justified by its exceptional performance and features. However, it is important to consider the cost and availability before deciding. For a more detailed explanation of the ZON whole house audio system, let's delve into each of these points. Let's start with the audio quality. The ZON system is designed to deliver high-fidelity audio. This means it can reproduce sound with great accuracy and detail. It supports lossless audio formats, which are file types that preserve all the original audio data without compressing it. This is in contrast to lossy formats like MP3, which discards some data to reduce file size. The wide frequency response of the ZON system means it can reproduce a broad range of frequencies from deep bass to high treble. The low distortion ensures that the sound is clean and clear, without unwanted noise or artifacts. Now let's consider multi-zone control. This feature allows you to divide your home into different audio zones, each with its own independent control. For example, you could be listening to classical music in the living room while someone else is listening to a podcast in the kitchen. Each zone has its own volume control, so you can adjust the sound level to suit your needs. You can also select different audio sources for each zone. For example, you could be streaming music from your phone in one zone while listening to a CD in another. The ZON system's centralized control is managed by the ZAC controllers. These units provide a central interface for configuring the system, selecting audio sources, and managing zones. The ZAC controllers are typically rack-mounted and located in a central location, such as a media room or utility closet. They can be accessed through a web interface or a dedicated app. The use of Cat-5 cables for communication simplifies the installation process. Cat-5 cables are commonly used for Ethernet networks, so they are readily available and relatively inexpensive. They are also easy to work with, as they are thin and flexible. The Cat-5 cables connect the ZAC controllers to the distribution amplifiers, which are located in each zone. These amplifiers boost the audio signal and send it to the speakers. The scalability of the ZON system is another advantage. You can start with a small system with just a few zones and then expand it as your needs grow. A system is modular, so you can add or remove zones as needed. The ZON system supports a wide range of audio sources. You can connect it to streaming services like Spotify or Apple Music, CD players, digital inputs, and other audio devices. This gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of what you can listen to. Let's compare the ZON system to other whole house audio systems. In terms of audio quality, the ZON system is generally considered to be superior to most other systems. It is designed to deliver high-fidelity sound, while many other systems are more focused on convenience and affordability. The ease of installation is another advantage of the ZON system. The use of Cat-5 cables simplifies the wiring process, making it easier to install than systems that use traditional speaker wire. The scalability of the ZON system is also a plus. You can start with a small system and then expand it as your needs grow. Other systems may be more difficult to scale up. The ZON system offers a wide range of control options, including touch panels, remote controls, and smartphone applications. This gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of how you control the system. The cost of the ZON system is a disadvantage. It is generally more expensive than entry-level or mid-range whole-house audio systems. However, the higher price is justified by the system's exceptional performance and features. The pros of the ZON system are its exceptional audio quality, ease of installation, scalability, and comprehensive control options. The cons are its higher cost and the fact that it may not be as widely available as some other popular systems. In conclusion, the ZON system is an excellent choice for homeowners who value high-fidelity audio, ease of installation, and scalability. Its premium price is justified by its exceptional performance and features. However, it is important to consider the cost and availability before making a decision. Now, let's delve deeper into the technical aspects of the ZON whole house audio system. Firstly, we'll explore the ZAC controllers. These are the brains of the system, responsible for managing audio distribution and control across different zones. They typically feature a robust processor, ample memory, and a variety of input and output options to accommodate different audio sources and zones. The ZAC controllers often support advanced features like digital signal processing, or DSP, which allows for fine-tuning of audio parameters such as equalization, or EQ, and dynamic range compression. This ensures optimal sound quality in each zone, regardless of the source material or listening environment. The Cat-5 cabling plays a crucial role in the system's architecture. It carries both audio signals and control data between the ZAC controllers and the ZON amplifiers. This simplifies the wiring process and reduces the amount of cable needed compared to traditional systems that use separate cables for audio and control. The Cat-5 cables are typically terminated with RJ45 connectors, which are similar to those used for Ethernet connections. This allows for easy connection and disconnection of components, making it easier to troubleshoot and maintain the system. The ZON amplifiers are responsible for amplifying the audio signal and driving the speakers in each zone. They are typically designed to deliver high-quality sound with low distortion and noise. The ZON amplifiers often feature multiple channels, allowing them to drive multiple speakers in each zone. They may also include features like volume control, tone control, and speaker protection circuitry. The control options for the ZON system are extensive. Touch panels provide a user-friendly interface for controlling the system from a central location. They typically feature a color display and intuitive controls for selecting audio sources, adjusting volume, and managing zones. Remote controls offer a convenient way to control the system from anywhere in the house. They typically feature buttons for selecting audio sources, adjusting volume, and managing zones. Smartphone apps provide a mobile interface for controlling the system. They typically feature a similar set of controls to the touch panels and remote controls, but they can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. The ZON system supports a variety of audio sources, including streaming services, CD players, digital inputs, and other audio devices. Streaming services like Spotify and Apple Music provide access to a vast library of music. The ZON system can integrate with these services, allowing users to stream music directly to their zones. CD players can be connected to the ZON system via analog or digital audio inputs. This allows users to play their existing CD collection through the system. Digital inputs like optical and coaxial connections can be used to connect other digital audio devices such as TV, Blu-ray players, and gaming consoles. Other audio devices like turntables and tape decks can be connected to the ZON system via analog audio inputs. The ZON system's scalability is a key advantage. The system can be expanded to accommodate different sized homes and audio requirements. This is achieved through the use of modular components such as ZAC controllers and ZON amplifiers. The number of zones can be increased by adding additional ZON amplifiers. The number of audio sources can be increased by adding additional ZAC controllers. The ZON system's high audio quality is a result of its design and components. The system uses high-quality audio components throughout, including the ZAC controllers, ZON amplifiers, and speakers. The system is designed to minimize distortion and noise, ensuring that the audio signal is reproduced accurately. The system supports lossless audio formats, which preserve all the original audio data without compressing it. This ensures that the audio signal is reproduced with the highest possible fidelity. The ZON system's ease of installation is another key advantage. The use of Cat-5 cables simplifies the wiring process, making it easier to install than systems that use traditional speaker wire. The Cat-5 cables are terminated with RJ45 connectors, which are easy to connect and disconnect. The system is modular, which makes it easier to install and maintain. The ZON system's comprehensive control options provide users with a lot of flexibility in terms of how they control the system. Touch panels provide a user-friendly interface for controlling the system from a central location. Remote controls offer a convenient way to control the system from anywhere in the house. Smartphone apps provide a mobile interface for controlling the system. Let's discuss some potential challenges that might arise during the installation and configuration of a ZON whole house audio system. Firstly, cable management is crucial. With multiple Cat-5 cables running between the ZAC controllers and ZON amplifiers, it's important to organize and label the cables properly to avoid confusion and ensure easy troubleshooting. Using cable ties, labels, and a well-documented wiring diagram can help streamline the process. Secondly, impedance matching between the ZON amplifiers and the speakers is essential for optimal audio performance and to prevent damage to the equipment. Ensure that the impedance of the speakers matches the impedance requirements of the ZON amplifiers. If necessary, use impedance matching devices to ensure compatibility. Thirdly, grounding and shielding are important for minimizing noise and interference in the audio signal. Ensure that all components are properly grounded and that the Cat-5 cables are shielded to prevent electromagnetic interference, or EMI. Fourthly, network configuration might be necessary. If the ZON system is connected to a home network for streaming audio or remote control, it's important to configure the network settings properly. This may involve assigning static internet protocol or addresses to the ZAC controllers and configuring port forwarding on the router. Fifthly, software updates are important to install. Keep the ZAC controllers and smartphone apps updated with the latest software to ensure optimal performance and compatibility. Check the manufacturer's website regularly for updates and follow the instructions carefully. The power requirements of the ZON system need to be calculated. Determine the total power consumption of all the components in the system, including the ZAC controllers, ZON amplifiers, and other devices. Ensure that the power supply is adequate to handle the load and that the wiring is properly sized. Consider using a dedicated circuit breaker for the audio system to protect it from overloads. In relation to the National Electrical Code, or NEC, in the 2017 edition and considering a residence in Windsor, Colorado, firstly, Chapter 3 covers wiring methods and materials. Ensure all wiring complies with NEC Chapter 3, including proper conductor sizing, insulation type, and protection against physical damage. Secondly, Article 725 covers Class 2 and Class 3 remote control, signaling, and power-limited circuits. The Cat-5 cables used for communication between the ZAC controllers and zone amplifiers may be subject to NEC Article 725 requirements. Ensure that the cables are properly rated and installed in accordance with the code. Thirdly, Article 800 covers communications circuits. If the ZON system is connected to a home network or other communication circuits, it may be subject to NEC Article 800 requirements. Ensure that the cables are properly grounded and protected against lightning and other electrical hazards. The grounding of the ZON system has several aspects. All components of the ZON system should be properly grounded to prevent electrical shock and minimize noise and interference. Connect the grounding terminals of the ZAC controllers, zone amplifiers, and other devices to a common grounding point, such as a grounding bus bar. Use appropriately sized grounding conductors and ensure that the grounding system complies with NEC Article 250. Surge protection is critical. Install surge protective devices, or SPDs, at the main electrical panel and at each component of the ZON system to protect against voltage surges caused by lightning or other electrical disturbances. Ensure that the SPD are properly rated for the voltage and current requirements of the system. Here's an example scenario. Suppose a homeowner wants to install a ZON whole house audio system in their 3,000 square foot home in Windsor, Colorado. The home has 5 zones: living room, kitchen, master bedroom, patio, and basement. The homeowner wants to be able to stream music from their smartphone, play CD, and listen to the radio in any zone. The homeowner hires a qualified installer to design and install the system. The installer selects a ZON ZAC controller with sufficient input and output options to accommodate the 5 zones and audio sources. The installer also selects 5 ZON zone amplifiers, 1 for each zone. The installer runs Cat-5 cables from the ZAC controller to each zone amplifier. The installer connects the audio sources to the ZAC controller. The installer configures the ZON system using the web interface. The installer tests the system to ensure that it is working properly. The homeowner is very happy with the ZON whole house audio system. They can now enjoy high quality audio in any zone of their home.